Everybody, we gonna work out today. Well, Mario's gonna work out today. But hey, part of the reason we make these videos is so that you can take our workouts and do them yourself. Mario here is warming up on the bike, and he did about 5.5 minutes, and we did various things, changing the resistance, having him bring him up off the seat, and then we did a little bit of chirp wheel and other back exercises. In our previous video, you saw him do a whole routine. He did that same routine here. For the sake of time, I'm just going to show you him rolling so you get the idea. And then he did his maintenance routine. But we dropped out the back exercises today because they're a part of his workout. And here we did 4 sets of his chest press. He was pressing 60-pound dumbbells. And now we start. So we begin with some weighted squats. He's just got a 25-pound sandbag, 20-pound sandbag up on his shoulders. Everything he does is 60 seconds on, 30-second interval as per usual, and it's all maximum quality reps. Look how happy this kid is to be working out. Mario's got a smile that lights up a room. And it's maximum quality reps. He can take mid-set rest breaks, and we have about a 30-second recovery interval. After the squats, we give his legs a little rest, and here we have a supinated row, great for his biceps. And as he's doing his row, it's not just biceps, but he's got trapezius and rhomboids, his rear delt or posterior delt, his lats, his erector spinae. So it's a wonderful exercise. And we have the wife, Rebecca, over there. She finished her workout, so she's doing a little foam rolling. Oh boy. And now Mario goes back to his legs. We got some 15-pound kettlebells here, and he's doing alternating reverse lunges. Still working on trying to stabilize the body as he goes through the motion. Again, everything is going for 1 minute of maximum quality reps. It's a very functional exercise. It stretches the hip flexors and the quadriceps, as well as the plantar fascia in the bottom of the foot. But it also strengthens, of course, the quadriceps and the core. We add weight with the 15-pound kettlebells to make it a little bit more challenging, but also very functional, like he's carrying luggage or carrying something as he has to put it down or pick it up. And now we go into about a 75-pound barbell overhead press. You got to remember, this kid did all of those chest presses before we got into this. And while your chest obviously emphasizes your pecs, your shoulders are a part of everything you do with your arms, and your triceps are a part of everything you do when you push. So we got some great triceps overload and some great shoulder overload here. And now we go back to attack his back, and we're going to be doing our triangle row here. And this one is going to be heavy on his lats. So again, just trying to overload. This is an exercise he knows very well. It's usually a part of his maintenance routine, which is the strength training exercises he does before we put him on the clock for a high intensity interval training routine. And now we got Romanian deadlifts. Again, this is not max deadlift weight. It's the same that he was doing his overhead press with, but we're asking him not to put the barbell down on the ground so that he can maintain time under tension. Notice he's got a good neutral spine, driving up through the heels. Shoulders are above the hips. Hips are above the knees. Knees are behind the toes. And that's it. What a great job, Mario. Way to lead by example. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching our videos. We would really appreciate it if you could like the video by clicking that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you leave a comment, I would be happy to respond. Boy, I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.